advanced juncture. Dear audience, in this play, we are going to pay a tribute to a great lady, Miss Florence Nightingale, who is known as the mother of the modern nursing for her selfless services in the nursing field. Thank you.
Sofia, front मंच जाइते भी माम जिस फ्रेंड हाँ माम वो सेटिंग का खबर आना
Secure the global health through research, innovation, and empowering the frontline soldiers. WHO has found environmental factors, that is, unsafe drinking water, poor sanitation, air pollution are the leading cause of death and disease. 24% of global disease burden and 23% of deaths are due to the environmental factors. The environmental platform can be strengthened by coordinated health, environmental and developmental policies. They can also promote cost-effective, immediate and long-term developmental strategies with multiple social and economical co-benefits. Florence Nightingale was born on May 12, 1820. She is known as the mother of modern nursing. She worked as a nurse, social and public health worker. She worked in literature, history, politics, economics, philosophy, science, mathematics and arts. Florence occupied information from her experience to develop more nursing research. She was the first nursing researcher. Her observable and reliable things is to identify the correlation between death of the patient and environment. Florence Nightingale influenced public policies by analyzing public issues. In her time, hospital viruses spread with trees and suspicious thoughts under war, and mortality rate are 42% of those. 6 months after Florence Nightingale came, mortality rate dropped to 2 to 6. These further changes are by attending the environment. She was the first nursing statistician who gave a graphic detail of reliable and statistical data of her understanding the instant and prevalence optimist. She was an epidemiologist too. She wrote a title note on that, a work of genius. She wrote a new report on health issues and wrote matter of professional nurses. Florence Nightingale was the first nursing superintendent in the prenatal ward. She had a great management skills. She identified the needs and helped in proper nursing education and established a school of nursing. She helped injured persons and provide critical care to patients. She developed the concept of induction by hand washing. The incidence of the disease was reduced than a leading cause of maternal death. Florence developed a theory of an environment that focused on taking care of patient, environment in order. Florence Nightingale was the best in present conceptualization of nursing. The below panels have Millennium Developmental Goals of WHO today. The first panel is sunlight. The light has much real intentional effects. Second panel is houses. The houses with ventilation. Third panel is nutrition. Variety and balanced diet to protect the meal time of the patient without distraction or nursing activity. Fourth panel is journal cleaning. Cleaning within and around the houses, dust cleaning and mold cleaning. Fifth panel is to drink pure water. Use safe water that are less in bacteria for drinking, washing, bathing and cleaning. Sixth panel is personal hygiene and personal cleaning, bedding and oral hygiene. Seventh panel is observation. The detailed and continuous observation identified from ward. Florence Nightingale presenting the habit of observation one way, and this will help the nurse. Florence Nightingale died on 19 August 1910 at London.
इंडियन
एक बार सब मिलके इनके लिए भरपूर क्लैपिंग करेंगे। बहुत ही उम्दा परफॉर्मेंस। तमाम जितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ये सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं ग्लोबल इंस्टीट्यूट का नर्सिंग के डायरेक्टर्स हैं, टीचर्स, फैकल्टी, तमाम लोग आपने तहसील काम किया है और मैसेज करने वाला हमें सीधे मैसेज पता चला कि द लेडी विद लैंड नाइटिंगेल, फ्लोरेंस नाइटिंगेल ने जो सफर शुरू किया था, तो आज उनकी जो उठाई हुई मशाल अब नर्सिंग के शोबे के लिए मशाल राह बन चुकी है। इस मामले में पीपल्स नर्सिंग स्कूल का भी बड़ा ताउन रहा है। पीएस के लिए भी प्लानिंग हो जाए।